It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Right, as legend would have it, here we are in the wash. This is out in Alamo, Nevada. My buddy Cord lives out there, Dick's Diesel Garage. He's doing all the heavy lifting here, doing some second-gen cabs, and trying to dig out a second-gen chassis. So what we're fixing to get is a two-wheel drive 3500 chassis. I got this thing on a trade. It came in as kind of just a parts truck, kind of a weird deal. Anyways, I got Cord here cutting it up. So the only usable section of this frame was the front. Even that, it had some war wounds of some sort. You'll see in a later video. The control arm, the lower control arm mounts were pretty hammered, but the back of this frame, there's no saving it. Been butchered several times, so just gonna cut it. We'll use the two-wheel drive independent front suspension for my Diamond T project. The drivetrain in this is going to be a 6BT, an Allison that was donated so generously by Dakota out at Full Hook Performance. If you need some Cummins parts, diesel parts, anything like that, Dakota's your go-to. Anyways, so we got Cord here cutting up the front. We're going to do away with the rest and just kind of poking along, trying to get the rest of the stuff gathered up. For the last few years, it seems like Cord has been quite the connoisseur of Diamond T parts. I think he's got a Diamond T that represents just about every single year ever made known to man. So Cord's got some cool Diamond T stuff coming down the pipe as well. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive stuff. There's the body for the Diamond T that I'm using. This is a 35 Deluxe. Again, some things are going to be a little bit different as far as how I'm going to configure the cab and the chassis arrangement. Of course, over in the distance, there's some fenders. These came off of a 38 Ford. This was I think this is an offer-up find. So it's the front fenders, the hood skirts there laying on the ground. Got a 6BT mock-up block I'll be using. Some miscellaneous headlights there laying on the ground. Just kind of piecemealing this thing together, trying to do it on the cheap. So, kind of the name of the game when you get to
Nice spare parts here. Been a while since I've done this stuff.
You're not feeling so hot now, huh, Mr. Temp Gauge? Part number 3635174, you're about ready to be dead. Every single one I find, I'm gonna crush. Because you're worthless.